Alright guys, I'm back again with a beer. I am sorry that I haven't been able to make videos lately. Been really busy with work and some other things. But anyways, I hope you enjoy. Here we go. Wait a minute. I think that one's a record one. Oh. Oh. Got just a little more left. Hope you enjoyed, and keep subscribing, and I'll be doing more videos soon. See ya.